What's up, guys? My name is Jerome Mobile. Today I'll be showing you how to check your groove, like your bulbs, car bulbs, with multimeter. So you just have to turn up your multimeter to this point. Can you see? Come closer, come closer. Once, then test this if it's working very well. Come closer, they will see. Let me just here. Alright, you can see that current continue. So if you want to know if it's okay, place it here. This, if it reads this way, that means the bulb is okay. Once you can see it reading, that means this bulb is okay. You know, sometimes we can also test it by looking it through this side to check if one of the wires here are cut or something. You can see most of them here. I guess one of them here is like that. See, I was able to discover this one because I saw it cut inside. So let's try it and see if it's going to read too. Just going to put it here, and then place it here. See, it's not reading. That means it's bad. This is bad. Let's see this. See, I see this is reading. This is actually fine. You can see it on it. It's actually fine. So that's just it. Just like that. Bad. Good. Bad. Still cut inside. Also bad. It's cut. Also bad. And actually, you can see on this one, you can't actually find out that it's actually bad because you can't see where it's cut inside, but it's actually bad. It's not working. Also bad. Also bad. So in all the bulbs I removed from this car, I already got 2 bulbs that are okay. The rest are bad. So this is a Toyota Advances 2005. Checked all the boots. This is for the brake light. See, push them out.